Hello everyone, I am Ravi Kishan of Standard 11 Science of Tata Deo Public School. Today I and my group member are here to tell about cloud computing. So I will like to call Apta for telling about cloud computing.
So I am here to tell you about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the manipulating, configuring and accessing the application online. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. Cloud computing is both a combination of software and hardware based computing resources delivered as a network service. So, what are the basic concepts of cloud computing? Here are some. There are certain service and models working behind the scenes, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models of cloud computing. Number 1, development models. Number 2, service models.
Development model define the types of access to cloud. That is how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid and community. Public cloud. The public cloud allows system and service to be easily accessible to the general public. Public cloud may be less secure because of its openness. Example, email. Private cloud. The private cloud allows system and service to be accessible within an organization. It offers increased security because of its private nature. Community cloud. The community cloud allows system and service to be accessible by group of organization. Hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of public and private cloud. However, critical activity are performed using a private cloud while the non-critical activities are performed using public cloud. Service models refers model on which the cloud computing is based. These can be categorized into three basic service models as listed below: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service (IaaS) is a delivery of technology infrastructure as a demand scalable service. IaaS provide access to fundamental resources such as physical machine, virtual storage, etc. Usually built based on usage. Usually multi-tenant virtualized environment can be complete with managed for OS and application support. There are some examples of IaaS. Software as a service. SaaS model allows to use software application as a service to end user. SaaS is a software delivery methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and its function remotely as web-based service, usually built based on uses, usually multi-tenant environment, highly scalable architecture. There are some examples of SaaS. Platform as a service. PaaS provide the runtime environment for application development and development tools, etc. PaaS provide all the facility required to support the complete life cycle of building and delivering web application and service from the internet. Typically, application must be developed with a particular platform in mind. Multi-tenant environment, highly scalable, multi-tier. There are some examples of PaaS.
Hi Santosh, I would like to say some advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. So some advantages are lower computer constraints, improved performance, reduced software constraints, and instant software update. And some disadvantages are it required constant internet connection, it can be slow, it is